Just being honest with you guys, I'm super sleepy right now. You can see it on my eyes. Why? Because I procrastinate to record this video. Just being honest. But hey, hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5:30 a.m. and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. This is July 27, 2025, and this is going to be day 384 of consistently helping people build consistency. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about the importance of setting on a goal, setting on the thing that you want to be consistent at, okay? Basically create on a plan and basically write down the plan on a paper. That's the thing that I'm going to be talking about in this video. So let's say you want to have a goal of reading a book for 5 minutes every single day for 7 days. By the way, this is a really good example of a goal, okay? It's super clear, reading a book for 5 minutes, and also it has a deadline for 7 days. So this way you know how long should you stick to the goal, okay? So you basically write down the goal on the paper, and then you also write on the paper that you are going to, I'm gonna make it, okay? I'm gonna finish this goal. I'm going to stick for 7 days consistently with confidence. And here's the thing. To some extent, actually, our brain is afraid to write down its goal on a paper. Why? Because now the goal feels so real. It feels so concrete. You can see it, you can grab it, you can stick it on your wall. And most importantly, when the goals feel so real, now failure feels so real. Okay? Because you are the one who's writing down that, hey, I'm gonna make it. Okay? If you set on a goal of reading a book for 5 minutes every single day and you didn't do the 5 minutes of reading a book, well, you can precisely know that you have failed to fulfill the goal. And comparatively, if you do not write your goals on a paper, big chances your brain is going to be thinking like, oh yeah, I'm going to be reading a book every single day, but actually I don't really have any obligation to fulfill that goal because hey, it's just something that I think about, and yeah, maybe I will do it, maybe I won't do it, and yeah, you know what, I might just doom scroll for hours and hours on my bed because I'm just feeling lazy today. But here's the thing, it is precisely because failure feels so real, at the same time winning, victory, also feels so real. When you actually manage to read a book for 5 minutes every single day for 7 days straight, you can actually say, oh yeah, I actually did the thing that I say, it feels so great. And what happens, okay? What happens here is that, yeah, it feels so great to basically fulfill your own goal. You have some control over your own life. And guess what? You are not going to stop there. You also wanted to experience the same level of victory, the same feeling again. So what do you do now? You grab on another paper and you basically write down another goal. But this time, maybe it's more challenging. Maybe it's 10 minutes of reading a book every single day for 7 days, plus write a short summary for it. Okay? So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. Good luck. Don't forget to like, join our Discord, and subscribe, and leave a comment. For today's day, I'll send us the post. Today's July 27th, 2025, and today's memes are posted a jigsaw post last 24 hours GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I edit it by myself.